course, there are so many ways to withdraw money from your account currently on any broker at all that you use, but I prefer to use crypto method most often. So today we're going to withdraw this amount, maybe all of it or some, maybe some. Yeah, we're going to withdraw this amount from this Deriv trading accounts right now. So let me take you through the whole process. So the first thing that I have to do obviously is to log into my account. So in my account over here, you can see I have 0 USDT showing up in the account right there. So let's go back to our cashier. All right, so I'm going to go to my cashier and I have to transfer the money from my MT5 account to the USDT account. So I'm going to go to transfer over here. Once I'm on the transfer page, this is what I'm going to do. Good, it has loaded successfully. So I have to first of all change this from 𝘾𝙍𝘾𝙊 to the standard SVG, which is my MT5 accounts. Now I'm transferring to the USDT account. That's where the USDT account is at the down there, right? Now the amount that I want to enter is, I think the total amount of I have over there is 184. So let's say I want to take out 104. Yeah, that's fine. 104. That's what I want to take out. So I'm going to go and hit the transfer button over here. Then the amount will appear right here in my USDT accounts. But before I proceed to transfer to my crypto method, I'm going to use Binance for this step. So I'll have to go to my Binance account right here. All right, so once I'm in my Binance account, I'm going to tap on add funds, all right, because I want to deposit USDT. So I'll go and select the deposit crypto option right here. From here, I'm going to select the USDT, all right. So here is what matters. You have to look through and see the network that you want to select. We have the True, we have the DND Smart Chain, we have the Aptos, we have the Ethereum, that's the 𝘾𝙍𝙀𝘾, and so many other ones available. But in our case, we are using the 𝘾𝙍𝙀𝘾 network. So I'm going to select the True over here. Then I have to copy the address, right? So I'll just tap here and I'll copy the address, go back to my Deriv account. Then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the cashier again, all right? I have to go to cashier, and this time around I have to tap on withdrawal, not transfer. So for confirmation, verification sake, they have to send you email. So I'm going to tap on send email, and I have to log into my email account right here to check it out for you quickly. Right, let me do that. Go to my Gmail. All right, it's right here. I'm going to tap on yes, it's me. Then from there, I can proceed with my withdrawal. Right, so I'm going to paste my address over here because that's what I want to use. And the amount I want to withdraw everything. So I'm going to go to all. And from there, I just have to tap on the button at the bottom where it says withdraw. And that is it. All right, that is it. If you see at the bottom over here, you can see your withdrawal is in review. So it is currently pending. Once it is done, yeah, I'll have to just check it out, and that is it. Right, so if I check my mail, I'm sure they will probably send me a mail. All right, so this is the mail they're saying you are processing your withdrawal. You're working on your total withdrawal, and the amount is there. So yeah, once it is done, I'll let you know. Stay put. All right, so after some hours, I received a notification, which means the money has actually landed into my wallet. So right now, let's quickly go ahead and check it out. So I'm just going to unlock. Then the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Gmail account, since that's where they send a notification to me. So you can see right there, okay, your withdrawal request is successful. Let me tap on it and let's see what is in there. Okay, so the amount of 104 point something, yeah, it has been credited to the accounts, to my account. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my Binance account to confirm if that is actually true, if it has reflected in my Binance account. So I'm going to go to my assets. All right, so when you come to my Binance account over here, you could see over here we have crypto deposits of 104.09 USDT complete. That means the money has actually come into my wallet, and that is the good news. So at the end of the day, you have your money in your wallet right here. And if you want to learn how to withdraw your money from Binance using P2P platform directly into your momo wallet, then I'm going to leave a link at the top of this video, right? Then you just go ahead and watch it, and it will guide you step by step throughout the whole process, right? So that is it. I think I'm going to see you in the next video. So this has been a few of my withdrawals that I've been making through, Binance. All right, I think that's going to be all for this video. If you need any help, just hit me up in the comment section, or you can check out my 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈 or any platform at all. Just search for 𝘍𝙀𝘾𝙊𝙈. Yeah, I think you'll find me right there. See you.